Welcome to the Daily Rant. And the Daily Rant today has to do with the security of Windows that Microsoft does usually a good job at, fixing things around. And what you understand is at some point, they have an update from time to time. And, today we talked about that famous update, an update that it's been years that it's been used in malware attacks, yet they don't fix it. And they don't want to fix it. It's not just they don't want to fix it first. Someone else sent the same problem. And it has to do with the LNK or link files. And they refused. They said, no, we're not going to fix that. And from time to time, there is this flaw that they refuse to fix. We've had some in the past. We almost have one at least each year that, it finally gets to us because most of the, people behind those security research, they just, they get mad. They're like, well, okay, you want to do nothing about it? We're going to talk about it. We're going to disclose the issue. And now it's like it opens up to everybody. Now all the bad guys know about it. You just told the world, oh, this is a way that you can, attack and infect people and so on. Not even detectable with antivirus. Will that force Microsoft to finally fix it? Probably. But it's so weird, the logic behind this, because they will fix security flaws that are almost, not that important because they're so difficult to, really use in an attack. Now, granted, this one does need to have, access to the PC. It's not just a question of being on a web page. A lot of these, critical flaws are like that. It's just being on a web page with the raw code and you're infected. This, you do need to have a download. You need to download a file that it's a malicious file, .lnk or link. And that malicious file will have, of course, megabytes. Some of them have megabytes and megabytes of empty space in the code. And that apparently fools all antiviruses. They just don't see that there's nothing bad in it. If you can fix it, if you can find a way to fix it, if it's not that difficult, why don't you do it? There were some in the past that they didn't fix because they simply said, well, it's kind of a complex thing to fix. We'll try to find a way to fix it, but we're not sure. I can understand that some updates and some, bugs for security might be much more difficult to address than others. I don't think this one is that much of a problem, but it's weird. Why do you decide, no, that one we don't care about, and yet fix another one that probably isn't really much more dangerous or even maybe less dangerous? This is... a flaw is a flaw. A security flaw is a security flaw. You got a security hole, just fix it. And that's all. And stop annoying people. It's like, well, I don't think we're going to do it. No, fix it. We just don't want any of those. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.